Is your Lorex camera not connecting to Wi-Fi? Don't worry, this is one of the most common issues, and in most cases you can fix it in just a few minutes. In this video, I'll show you 7 easy troubleshooting steps that actually work. Let's get started. Subscribe our channel for more videos and hit the bell icon. Fix number 1. Check your Wi-Fi frequency. The first thing to check is your Wi-Fi network. Many Lorex Wi-Fi cameras only support 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi during setup. If you're trying to connect to a 5 GHz network, the camera may fail to connect. Open your router settings or check your Wi-Fi name and make sure you're connecting the camera to the 2.4 GHz network. Fix number 2. Move the camera closer to the router. Weak Wi-Fi signal is another common reason. Move the camera within 10 to 15 feet of the router during setup. Thick walls, metal objects, and large appliances can weaken the signal. Once the setup is complete, you can move the camera back to its final location. Fix number 3. Verify the Wi-Fi password. Double-check your Wi-Fi password. A single incorrect letter, number, or symbol will prevent the camera from connecting. Remember that Wi-Fi passwords are case-sensitive, so make sure everything is entered exactly as it appears. Fix number 4. Restart the camera and the router. A simple restart often solves temporary network issues. Turn off your router for about 30 seconds and then turn it back on. Restart the Lorex camera as well. Wait until both devices are fully powered up before trying the setup again. Fix number 5. Update the Lorex app. Using an outdated app can cause connection problems. Open the Google Play Store or Apple App Store and check for updates to the Lorex app. Installing the latest version ensures better compatibility and fixes known bugs. Fix number 6. Factory reset the camera. If the camera still won't connect, perform a factory reset. Locate the reset button on the camera. Press and hold it for about 10 to 15 seconds until you hear a voice prompt or see the status LED change. Wait for the camera to fully reboot, then set it up from scratch. Fix number 7. Check your router settings. Sometimes the problem is your router. Check these settings. Enable DHCP, disable MAC address filtering, use Wi-Fi 2A or Wi-Fi 2A plus WPA3 security, avoid using hidden SSIDs during setup, and restart the router after making any changes. If you're using a mesh Wi-Fi system, try connecting the camera near the main router first. If your phone is connected to a VPN, disconnect it before setting up the camera. Also, make sure Bluetooth and location permissions are enabled if the Lorex app requests them. If your Lorex camera still isn't connecting after trying these 7 fixes, leave your camera model number and the exact error message in the comments. I'll do my best to help you troubleshoot it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.